Hi, my name is Dr. Indraniil Roy. I'm a specialist oral and maxillofacial surgeon and implantologist at Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic in Dubai. At Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic, we deal with various cases from the most simple dental implants, which are single tooth, to the most complex, advanced full mouth rehabilitation and all-on-4 surgeries. Our success rates are so high here because we use the world's #1 dental implant. It is by Nobel Biocare and it is made in Sweden and Switzerland. The other thing which is so important when we talk about success is the height and width of the bone that the patient possesses and an aim to stay away from the vital structures like the nerves. So we do a CBCT scan. A CBCT scan is a 3D scan in our in-house CBCT scanner. We sit with the patient with that scan and we explain to them everything. So they are with us on the same page by the end of it and feel much more comfortable. The other thing that we do here differently is we totally remove the chance of a human error in surgery. How do we do that? We plan the surgery and process a fully computerized surgical guide for the patient. So that surgical guide in turn does two things. One, that during the surgery, the implants end up exactly where it was pre-planned. And the second thing is we are able to do the entire surgery through a minimal cut on the gum, and which is now called a keyhole surgery. So in turn, there's no pain and barely any swelling after the procedure. After the dental implant is placed, the crown has to come on top of the implant, and our expert in-house dental lab takes care of the rest. The patient relaxes in our VIP relaxation room, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours for our lab to make a tooth which looks exactly like their adjacent natural teeth. And after that, the tooth is fixed on the implant and the patient walks out a new person, much more confident. So myself and my team look forward to welcoming you at Dr. Joy's Dental Clinic for all your dental needs.